Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to tell you how to learn any language using AI. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. To save time, I have pre-written the prompts. You can take screenshot of the prompts by pausing the video. The first prompt I'll be typing is Art as a Spanish language tutor. I am new to learning Spanish. What are 20 must-known phrases in Spanish? Provide translation and pronunciation. Then I'll press enter. Okay, it has provided me with 20 phrases. The second thing I'll be saying to Chat GPT is you are an expert in Spanish tutor. I'm having trouble with pronunciation for the above phrases. Provide pronunciation instruction. Provide the instruction using phonetics and similar sounding words to help make pronunciation easy. And then I'll click enter. By this, it will help me to pronounce the words in Spanish. Now you can see it is helping me to pronounce the words in very easy way. Now you can also make flashcards of the phrases to save it for later. You need to enter a title. I'll type Spanish and then you need to enter the term hi, hello. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Then I'll copy the Spanish word hola and I'll paste it here. As you can see, I have filled in the words. I'll press create. And now my flashcards are prepared. Once I click it, it will give me the answer. The second flashcard, the third, and the fourth. This is how you can learn any language by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.